Hello everyone, welcome back to Candy Coffee. Here we have this beautiful gaggia titanium espresso machine. Now for this machine we replace the water pump, the one that you see right here. This is dated from focus 2010, and we also replaced the air valve of the machine. As you can see, this one was broken and was causing a big major leak inside the machine. Perfect. Now we have our cup. Steam and water. There you go. Let me warm up my cup. Perfect. Now we can do a shot of espresso. Let's test it out with one shot, and we can use a steamer. Infusion. As you can see, excellent color, really good water flow coming out of the spouts, working great. No water from the back, anything like that. And now we're gonna test the steamer. Now the thermoblock starting to get the pressure. You can see the steam coming out of the machine. Great pressure, excellent temperature as well. Working perfectly fine. And there you have it, gaggia titanium. I'll link you once again. So thank you so much for preparing Candy Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.